had a history of getting with at least 16 different. One of these women's name is Leto. She was convinced that Hera, his wife, would never find out about the affair. But Hera found out, like all his many other.
How dare she be so happy? She can just fool around with my husband like that.
And so she told Gaia, Mother Earth, I forbid any land so Leto give birth there. Leto will stay in labor forever.
And soon Leto was 7 months pregnant and she went into early labor.
Oh, boy, here they come. She traveled to many places, but everywhere she went, the Naiads wouldn't allow her to give birth.
It took her long enough, but soon Leto had an idea.
Oh well, I guess I'm born.
Hey yo, it's me, Apollo.
I apologize for my brother. He is an idiot.
Marcyrus was a satyr, a half-goat, half-man who lived in Phrygia, part of Asia Minor.
Marcyrus was walking in the woods one day when he spotted a silver kazoo. It was the first kazoo created by the goddess Athena. When he played, it sounded beautiful.
And it went a little something like that. Soon he was famous. He was doing concerts, winning Oscars, and making Cardi B quake in her turtle skin boots.
But soon the fame began to get to his head, and he started bragging that he was better than Apollo.
Now, Apollo had previously been known to have a bit of a temper, but this made him more ticked off than he ever had before.
So, Apollo flew down to Earth and said to Marcyrus, "Fight me!"
No, you.
Fine then. And so, the music of the century.
First up was Apollo. It was beautiful, moving. Some fainted at how good it was. Tears were brought to the crowd's eyes.
But then, Marcyrus played better than anyone had ever played before, including Apollo.
Mama! Ooh, it means if you cry, if I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really mattered.
It was even more beautiful than Apollo's piece. They cheered for Marcyrus.
Now you're gonna get it. And so, Apollo T-posed to assert his dominance, and Marcyrus was never heard from again.
Mama just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life is tragic. But now I've got to throw it all away. No.
Guys, okay. So,
I don't do the Galileo part. Galileo!
Galileo.
Galileo!